Midioram.
Good afternoon and welcome to Midioram. We have with us Sir Dr. Kumar, who is a wellness and lifestyle consultant. Sir, please welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയുന്നത് പോലെ ഈ സെഗ്മെന്റിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിച്ചിട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായ ഏത് സംശയങ്ങളും ചോദിക്കാം. അതുകൂടാതെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്കി നമ്പർ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അനുയോജ്യമായ ജെംസ് ഏതാണ്, ഇതൊക്കെ ഈ ഷോയിൽ ചോദിക്കാം. ബിഫോർ വി ഗോ ഓൺ ടു പിക്ക് അപ്പ് ദ കോൾസ്, ആദ്യമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ ആഴ്ചത്തെയും പോലെ ഒരു നക്ഷത്രത്തിന്റെ ജാതകഫലമാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് ഉത്രാടം നക്ഷത്രം. സർ, ടുഡേസ് ഉത്രാടം നക്ഷത്രം.
Sure. Just would like to share with the viewers also that yesterday I met the you can say the beautiful Shweta Menon.
The gorgeous Shweta Menon.
The gorgeous Shweta Menon. Yesterday I met with the function, and even my family also were quite, you can say, lucky enough to meet her, and even they got some momentum from her. So yesterday we met the gorgeous Shweta Menon. I think all the best to you and stay blessed, Ms. Shweta. Be always happy. Okay, so we are going with the Uttradam Nakshatra. Yes, the general characteristics are for Uttradam Nakshatra is usually they get total involvement in the task and penetrate deeply into some aspect of knowledge. They are quite obedient, learned in the rules of virtue, grateful, they have many friends and they return favors. They are liked by everybody. Now the other favorable things are they are intelligent, fun loving, they got leadership qualities, good politicians, well liked, as I told you, devoted to friends, can relate to others, they are very very grateful, idealistic and kind, modest. They have some knowledge which sets them apart, interested in learning and helping others also at the same time, enjoys reading to gain knowledge. They usually get benefit from travel industry or travels, quite tolerant and devoted to companions, good manners, leadership skills and quite helpful in nature with the others. Now the unfavorable things are they have very anxious and takes on too many people's problem and get stressed. So like when they want to help others, they take the problems of others on their own and they sometimes get stressed or end up into depression. So that has to be controlled. They are self-centered and too long in a sometime destructive relationship. Sometimes they can have relationship up and down, changes residence many times. So these type of people usually cannot stay in one place. So they will change their residence very often, either a place or where they were staying. Early adversity life, and sometimes they fail to complete what they start. So this was unfavorable. Now career interest for this nakshatra is they are quite pioneers, researchers, scientists, hunters, usually boxers and fighters also are in this, quite into government jobs. They do a lot of social work, hunting profession, as I tell, hunters, wrestlers, horse owners and even doctors at the same time. So this was for the ഉത്രാടം നക്ഷത്രം.
താങ്ക് യു ഡോക്ടർ. അപ്പോൾ ഉത്രാടം നക്ഷത്രക്കാരൊക്കെ ജാതകഫലമൊക്കെ അറിഞ്ഞ് ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷത്തിലാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നു. Doctors and hunters.
Yes.
Two different.
Two different. Yeah, because you see, these are the people. They take even tension of others also. Like they will help people.
Yeah.
So they will take the problems of others, and sometimes they get stressed. So it is hunters and doctors. So hunting sometimes can be for the good also, for the bad also. No?
Yes.
You follow me?
Definitely.
Yes.
You hunt something that attacks you, that's for good.
Yeah, that's for good. You see, yeah. So or you want to save somebody's life. If you are a hunter and your friend is being attacked and you are helping your friend for self-defense, so that is good.
Okay. Sir, now we'll pick up the first caller.
Yes, welcome.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Midioram. ഇതാരാണ്? കണ്ണൻ എവിടുന്നാ വിളിക്കണേ? ഓക്കെ, ആദ്യം ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഒക്കെ പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, പിന്നെ ഡോക്ടറോട് സംശയം ചോദിക്കാം. 10 September 1963. Okay.
Place of birth on Mumbai ആണ്, ബോംബെ.
Mumbai. Okay.
And time of birth on 6:50 രാവിലെ.
Early morning 6:50 അല്ലേ?
അതെ.
ഇനി എന്താണ് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ളത് സാറിനോട്?
എനിക്ക് 3 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കാനുണ്ട് സാറോട്. ഒന്ന്, ഞാൻ എന്റെ പൊതുവായിട്ട് ജാതകം എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ആവറേജ് ജാതകമാണോ, എബോ ആവറേജ് ജാതകമാണോ, എല്ലാം കൊണ്ട് അതൊന്നും ചോദിക്കാനുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. രണ്ടാമത്, എനിക്ക് എത്ര കൊല്ലം കൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ദുബായിൽ കാണും വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മൂന്നാമത്, എത്ര കൂടി പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റും? ഈ 3 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനാണ് എന്റെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ.
So 3 questions, and he is very specific. I like the way he asked the question.
Yeah,
Okay?
random mood. Moon means 3.
Yeah. Okay. The first question is he wants to know how his Jataka is, like average or above average kind of Jataka.
Okay.
Second one is about if how long he'll be staying back in UAE.
Okay.
Like any other NRI
Yes.
ask. And then the third question is about the education.
Oh, about the education.
Education.
അല്ല, about house, എത്ര വീട് പഠിക്കുന്നത്?
എത്ര വരെ പഠിക്കുന്നോ?
അല്ല, എത്ര വീട് ഞാൻ എന്റെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്? എത്ര വീട് ഹൗസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്?
Okay. He wants. He wants to know how many house he will build.
How many
Yes,
house you will build?
Wow.
Correct.
Okay. Ultimately, either property in cash or in land. Okay, I think you have Vrishabh Rashi and Rohini Nakshatra.
Yes, Rohini Nakshatra, yes.
Yes, and you see your Kantaka Shani will start in January 2017 up till January 2020.
Okay.
Okay, and I think your chart is you can say quite above average, because you got also Raj Yogam. I don't know whether you are aware of it.
Yeah, I
but-
know, I heard of Raja, yes.
Okay, so you know that you got Raja Yogam.
Yeah.
Yes, somebody must have told you.
No, nobody told me. I heard about Raja Yoga, I'm saying. I know what is Raja Yoga means.
Okay, you know what is Raja
Yeah.
Yogam. Okay, you know what is Raja Yogam, but you got Raja Yogam, you know.
Okay. Raja
So-
means all the benefits, right?
Sorry?
Raja Yoga means all the benefits, right?
Yeah, it is for the benefit, and you will get benefit through network, through your connections, always.
Okay.
And Raj Yoga means, actually it is said that like you will become the king, but it is not king actually, it is like king in your own field.
Okay.
Okay, like a waiter becoming the owner of the restaurant.
Okay, fine.
So like you will be the king in your
Okay.
own field, you know.
Okay, fine.
Same thing. Okay, and
Okay.
yes, and what field you are in now?
And my age?
No, what field? What you are working now?
ഏത്
I'm
മേഖലയിൽ?
working in finance.
In finance and accounts.
Yes.
So you will be see. I can just tell you, you will be very much efficient in your work. You know.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, it's very difficult to compete you, and your birth number 1 and life path number is 2. Now birth
Yes.
number people, because your Jatakam and my Jatakam little matches, you know. I am also birth number 1, and
Okay.
some things also match, which I don't want to disclose now, but lot of things match with this Jatakam,
Okay.
and maybe because of this type of Jatakam, I am in front of you all, you know, live.
That's okay.
Yeah, now birth number 1, what happens, it's very difficult to work for you under 2-3 bosses.
Okay.
You will be very uncomfortable if you have to report, but if one boss, you can really perform well and you can show your capabilities.
Okay.
Okay, and the dasha which you are going through is now actually Shani dasha. So see, basically your Shani will start, as I told you, from January, and your Shani dasha is there from December 2008 to December 2027.
Okay.
Okay, now you need to do some remedies. Actually your Jatakam is very good, it's above average, and you will be still staying for still a little longer time outside India. So in UAE you will be staying, as it is a good place.
Okay.
And plus you see the houses, you got good land luck. I cannot tell you how much houses you will have, but I can
Okay.
tell you, you have good land luck, you know.
Land.
Yeah, land luck is good, but thing is that only what happens as per your Jatakam, you don't get the result as per your efforts. Yeah, you don't get the result as per your efforts or as per your abilities and capabilities, whatever you are putting up.
Okay.
So for this you need to do the remedies to fulfill your dreams. Now I will tell you what to do.
Yeah.
You should wear 2 stones.
Okay.
Yes, which is ruby, manikam in the right hand ring finger, and coral pavalam in the left hand ring finger, triangle shape. These are the 2 stones you need to wear immediately.
Okay.
And your birth number 1, you should wear a Navratna pendant number 1.
Okay.
Okay, a maroon color is very good for you. Lucky day is Sunday. And
Okay.
even you can keep a small piece of square silver in your purse always.
That piece of?
Small piece of square silver in your purse always with round corners.
Okay, silver, any silver coin, like silver.
not coin, small piece of square silver, a plain
Small
small
piece of
piece.
square silver.
We have shown in the earlier programs. If you, I think, go to Facebook or YouTube, you will get my, in the earlier programs. I have been showing this. Maybe next week I will again bring a sample for you all to see.
Okay.
And plus drink water in silver glass.
Okay.
Okay. Then for Annadanam, I would advise you, if possible, if you can feed the fishes, it is good, or keep an aquarium in the north area of your room.
Okay.
And plus for Danam, you can feed the cat with the cat food. Feed the pucha with the pucha food every Wednesday after sunset in the night,
Okay. Okay.
or every Tuesday and Wednesday would be better.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
And this is yeah.
And plus Saturday and Tuesday you should be a vegetarian food.
Okay, I'm totally vegetarian. I don't take non-veg.
Okay, you are completely vegetarian. That is very
Yes,
excellent.
yes.
Very excellent. So you need to do these remedies, and plus avoid full black color clothes. Maroon color is
Okay.
excellent for you, which I have already told you now.
Okay, black means I can put like white pant and black shirt. That is combination is okay.
Yeah, that combination is okay, but white pant, white shirt, black pant, black shirt, black coat, black tie, don't wear that way.
Okay, fine.
Usually
Okay,
you have seen
and
me wearing it a lot of times, and even
Okay.
Dinah was also there. I think last time when she was there, she was wearing a full black. Even myself was also wearing a full black. So don't wear full black, it is not favorable for you, but for us it is okay, fine.
Other colors are okay, yeah, for me.
Sorry?
Other colors are okay for me. Yeah?
Other colors are okay. Combination of black is also okay, but not full black, okay?
Full black. And one more thing, you told me about the Kantaka, you know, that will do something harm to me or it's okay?
No, Kantaka Shani will not be much favorable for you, so that is why I have given you some remedies for you.
Okay.
Okay, that is why I have gave you some remedies, because Kantaka Shani will be there, and you know you have what you say, this also Shani Dasha going on. So it is not in the little favorable house, you know. And you are staying with family?
Yeah, I'm staying with the family, yes.
Okay, do you experience anytime, sometimes sudden expenses or unnecessary sudden expenses come up your way which are not planned or not in your dreams also?
Okay.
Do you experience, yes or no?
Sometimes, not very much, like, but sometimes I will be.
Sometime. Okay, see, if you are coming for some other consulting, I usually give a Vastu service free. So if you bring your rough sketch of your house also, we can just check
Okay.
out maybe in the north, northeast or east area there is some bathroom or kitchen, or by default you have kept some what you say, some shoes on that stand or something, you know, there can be some Vastu solution which can be rectified.
Okay.
And so you can get what you say, even land luck also and your Jatakam luck also, both the lucks you can get it and enjoy yourself. Okay?
So the Shani is 2025, yeah? 2025.
No, it is for this is small Shani, Kantaka Shani. I think I told you from January 2017 to January 2020.
2020, okay.
Yes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye bye, see you.
Kannan, thank you for
But overall,
calling.
good job, no?
Sorry?
Overall, it's a good job, no?
Yes, don't worry.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
ഓക്കെ കണ്ണൻ, താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ കോളിംഗ്. പ്രേക്ഷകർക്ക് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഡോക്ടറിനെ കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അപ്പോയിൻമെൻറ്റ് വിളിക്കേണ്ടത് കിരണിനെയാണ്. 05265656786 ആണ് നമ്പർ. ഷോ ടൈമിൽ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല, ബിക്കോസ് ഡോക്ടറിനെ കിട്ടാൻ അപ്പോയിൻമെൻറ്റ് മാത്രമാണ് ആ നമ്പർ ഉള്ളത്. അല്ലാത്ത സമയം യു ഹാവ് ടു കോൾ on the scroll 052961133 and 05014966064. ഇത് രണ്ടും ഷോയിലേക്ക് വിളിക്കാനുള്ളതാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത കോളറിലേക്ക് പോവാം.
I understand.
That's good. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Miriyoram.
Hi. This is Binu here.
Hi Binu, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Binu, where are you calling from? Which emirate?
I'm calling from Sharjah.
Sharjah. Malayali ano?
Are.
Okay. Can I have the details first? And then നമുക്ക് ഡോക്ടറോട് ചോദിക്കാം.
Great. October 23/9/1977.
23rd September 1977. Am I right?
77.
Okay. And time of birth?
See, it's roughly again in the morning between 7 and 7:30.
Between 7 and 7:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And place of birth?
It's in Kerala. It's called Angamali.
അങ്കമാലി കേരള. ഓക്കെ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് കറക്റ്റ് ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ? 23rd September 1977.
23rd September 1977.
ഓക്കെ, പെർഫെക്റ്റ്. ഇനി എന്താണ് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ളത് ഡോക്ടറോട്?
Financial crisis and basic.
ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ.
Because we are into one business and it's not in a good condition now.
Okay. Doctor, he wants to know what is financial situation.
Yeah, financial state. Okay, your Makar Rashi and Trivonam Nakshatra.
Trivonam Nakshatra, yeah, correct.
Okay, see now in Trivonam Nakshatra, actually, if you see that the elder Shani will start in January 2017. Actually, you are already, I think, going through some little phase where financial instability is there, and I think you are into a business where lot of receivables has to be collected and they are not coming in time. Correct?
Correct, yeah.
You see, yes. And this Shani will start now. Elder Shani, that is for 7.5 years, will start in January 2017 and it will be up till March 2025. Okay, one more thing. There is one Sarpa Dosham. Have you done the necessary prayers in your native place?
Pardon? I cannot hear you properly. What is that?
You got one Dosham, Sarpa Dosham.
Okay.
And so have you done the necessary prayers in the native place?
No.
So you have not shown your, that means you have not shown the Jatakam to a respectable person, I think so. That person has not guided you maybe.
Till this date, I didn't show it to anyone.
So see, first of all, the obstacles what you are getting, this necessary prayers you need to do it. You can check the native place, they will be able to tell you how to do this prayer. And proxy is not advisable, personal attendance is advisable in this prayer, okay? Okay. And you are birth number, I will just tell you, your birth number 5 and your life path number is 2. And the dasha which you are going through is now Guru Vyadam dasha. Okay. So dasha is okay, fine, but now Shani will come. Naturally you will be quite up and down. Now this dasha is from June 2010 to June 2026 for 16 years. Guru Vyadam dasha. Okay, now one more thing I want to ask you, did you get break in the studies or did your studies suffer or something that way?
I got break in the studies.
Okay, so you got break in the studies. See, and fine. You are married?
Yeah.
And when you got married, you were not ready?
Pardon?
You were not ready for the marriage when you got married, something? Or it had, means did your marriage happen suddenly, you know? Sometimes it is very, very planned, you know? Sometimes it happens suddenly.
No, it is not well planned, it is very sudden. It is
Very suddenly, no? Yeah, this is what two things diagnosing I have done. First of all, you got break in the studies. And second thing, your marriage happened suddenly. Sometimes it is planned for 6 months, 1 year, but this was not in your case, correct?
It is within, I could say within 20 days it got married.
Yeah, so 20 days is very, very sudden marriage, no? Fast.
Yeah.
It is not planned marriage, it is sudden marriage. See, this is what your Jatakam shows, you know. Okay, so first of all, now write the remedies. I will tell you what to do. You write these remedies, and you also staying with the family here.
Yeah, my family is here. Yeah.
Okay, see, first of all, your analyzing of the place also needs to be done. That is, as you are watching the show, you know, like I told you, Vastu Dosham can be there also in the place. First of all is there, and second is so first of all we need to rectify that, which I cannot do it now. When you come personally to me, you can just bring a rough sketch of your house wherever you are staying now in UAE, and with north, south, east, west direction, and I will be able to help you as per my knowledge. Okay, and for second is this Sarpa Dosham prayer needs to be done very, very immediately effect as per your convenience. Okay, now you got Guru Dasha which is weak and your Buddham is weak. These two dashas are very, very weak. Okay, so you will need to, and is this business in partnership?
Yeah, I'm in the partnership business, yeah.
You see, this is also there. Now see, to make the partnership favorable and to make your Jatakam little more favorable, I'll tell you. Wear a nice yellow sapphire in your right hand index finger.
Okay.
And wear a Margadam, emerald green color stone in your right hand little finger.
Okay.
Okay, where Vurumukhi Rudraksham. You know Rudraksh, Vurumukhi, one Mukhi, Ek Mukhi Rudraksham. This is to be away from negative people, negative thought, negative energies. Okay. Or some people will be taking what you can do, like they will take advantage from you or misguide you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so these two stones are very, very necessary, and Ek Mukhi Rudraksh. Plus keep a triangle piece of silver in your purse always.
Okay.
Saturday and Thursday you should be a vegetarian food.
Saturday and Thursday.
And Saturday always do Annadanam. Every Saturday do any type of Annadanam. Feed at least like 4 to 5 people, poor people. Just buy ready-made parcels and give it to some Natur, Baldia people or construction people. Here you can give it. So do every Saturday do Annadanam, and every Saturday feed the pigeons.
Okay.
Prau, dove. Feed the pigeons.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, feed the pigeons with cherupar and yellow moong dal. These two plants are weak. Cherupar is again green color and yellow moong dal again for yellow sapphire. So not only wearing the stone, but after wearing the stone, if you do this Annadanam, like you are doing for more times. Okay.
Yes, yeah, understand.
And on Thursday, do not give loan, avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, avoid shampoo.
Okay.
Just observe these things. Avoid full black color clothes. Blue color and green color is very good for you. Light blue color all shades, and light green.
Okay.
Okay, these are the favorable colors for you. Observe these things, and as I told you, be a vegetarian for this. So slowly your financial stability will be better. But in details, if you want, you are welcome to come. I am in Karama, Dubai. You are welcome anytime. You can contact Kiran. Number I think is there. They're already on the screen. I feel so.
Yes, sure. Understand.
Welcome, and thanks for calling NTV.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Binu. Thank you for calling. So now we'll pick up the next caller.
Yes, we'll pick up the next caller, and then
Yeah,
we'll
we
go for a
will-
break.
Sure. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Mediyoram. Welcome to Mediyoram. TV volume mute ചെയ്തോളാം.
And Dinah is very happy to get a lady's call.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. ഇനി TV volume mute ചെയ്തിട്ട് TVയിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാണ്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചു.
Okay.
പേരെന്താണ്?
എന്റെ പേര് ദീപ.
ദീപ. ഓക്കെ. ദീപ എവിടെ നിന്നാ വിളിക്കണേ?
ഷാർജ.
ഷാർജ. ഓക്കെ. ദീപ സ്ഥിരം കാണാറുണ്ടോ ഷോ? ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ ഇനി ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്തും ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഒക്കെ പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, എന്നിട്ട് ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കാം.
ഇതിപ്പോ ഞാൻ എന്റെ മകന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
ഓക്കെ.
എന്റെ മകന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 1996 നവംബർ 21.
21 November 1996.
Evening 3:32 p.m.
3:32
p.m.
3:32 p.m. And place of birth?
കൊച്ചി, എറണാകുളത്ത്.
എറണാകുളം. ഓക്കെ. എന്ത് ചോദ്യമാണ് മോന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഡോക്ടറോട് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ളത്?
എന്റെ മകന്റെ ഇപ്പൊ അവൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ചെയ്യാണ്. അപ്പൊ അവന്റെ ഒരു കരിയറിനെ കുറിച്ചൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് അറിയാനായിരുന്നു.
Okay, it's about the career that you want to ask.
Okay, it's for him, for her?
No, for a son.
For her son, okay. He's Meenam Rashi and Revati Nakshatra?
Yes.
Okay. And okay, presently he doesn't have any Kantaka Shani and Ardha Shani. Eldra Shani. Okay, and I will just tell you what type of dasha he is going through, so we can analyze and tell you the career. Okay, his birth number 3 and life path number is 3. Okay, so this combination is very, very rare, like your birth number is also 3, and when you total up all the numbers of your date of birth, it comes to number 3 when you're reducing balance. So this is actually good sign, and plus the dasha he is going through is now actually Ketu dasha.
Okay.
And Ketu started in October 2010 to October 2017. So up till October 2017 he is he will be very, very unstable, and career will not be up to the mark. He is studying still now?
Yeah, he is studying in India, engineering.
But how is his concentration, focus on the studies?
It is there, but little bit changed. Now he's having little bit weakness.
Okay, fine. See, first of all, he should take care of his friends, friend circle, okay, which can mislead him or misguide him.
Okay.
This happens in the Ketu Dasha, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have to be very, very. After that is Shukram Dasha for 20 years, so no problem. But now you see, up till October 2017, you have to be careful for him.
Okay.
His Guru also Vyanam is very weak, and otherwise he can get again a break in the career.
Okay.
Break in the career and break in the education also, which will be career will be late, because the success rate will be very slow in terms of career, because the Guru is very weak.
Okay.
Guru Vyadam is very weak, which is ruling his personal house and even the profession house.
Okay.
So I would just advise him, if he can go for a nice Pushparagam, a yellow sapphire in the right hand index finger.
Yellow sapphire.
Yes, yellow sapphire in the right hand index finger.
Okay.
It should be original, certified and properly energized. Otherwise, the gemstones will not give you a result.
Okay, you are having that. If we can come to you.
You are welcome. I will surely try to help you out for all these things also, not a problem. I am in Karama, Dubai. You are welcome. And, okay, and plus he should wear a Navratna pendant number 3, and 3 is also a number of Vyadam number, you know. Vyadam is 3 number, like 1 is sun, 2 is moon, 3 is Vyadam number, Guru number.
Okay.
Okay, so he can go for a, and he should keep in the purse always. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah,
Hello,
yeah, he should keep in the purse always square piece and triangle piece of silver in the purse, always touching his picture.
The square piece and triangle piece of
Both.
silver.
Yeah, both. That also we will try to help you out to arrange everything. You can contact us, not a problem.
Okay.
And other things like I will tell you, you should keep in his room there, you know, wherever he's there in the Kerala. I think in Kerala he's studying, correct?
Yes.
Yes, keep 21 pieces of peacock feather in the room. He should face
21
east, 21 pieces of
20
peacock.
piece of peacock feather.
Yes, and face east while studying.
Facing east.
Yes,
Study.
yes. Keep a education pyramid at his table, study table.
Educational pyramid.
Yes, and on the left hand side, keep a crystal globe.
Left hand side what?
Crystal globe. Globe, you know, globe?
Crystal globe. Okay.
Yes,
crystal globe. Okay.
crystal globe. Yes, and every Wednesday, take bath with little manjan. Very, very little manjan.
Wednesday with manjan. Okay.
Manjan. Every Wednesday, take bath with little manjan.
Okay.
I think if you do this, then his concentration, focus will be there, and he will not be carried away or misguided, misleaded. That will save him from all the negative friends also at the same time.
Okay.
Okay?
So career-wise, he is good. He can have a good career.
Yeah, he will have very good career. Don't worry. After Ketu Dasha, just be careful up till Ketu Dasha, because this age is also like this, you know, 19, 20 years old.
Okay.
Yeah,
Till
so
October 17 it is
yeah,
there.
after that it is Shukram Dasha. The Dasha is very good. He will have a very, very, you can say, stable career. Otherwise, he is brilliant, you know. He is brilliant. He is very, very good, you know. But sometime, you know, friend circle or something, that also influences a person, you know. Vatavaran, Vayu Mandal, circumstances, friend circle, you know. So we should take care of that. So this stone and these things if you do, which will save him from all the negative friends, and he will more concentrate on his, what you say, studies, and his future career also will be very good for him. Okay?
Okay, sir, I can have your appointment because I called Kiran. I can have your appointment by next Friday, right?
This coming Friday?
Next
Yeah,
Friday.
coming Friday. Kiran told me like that.
You have already called him?
Yeah, I have already called him.
What's
so he
your-
told that he can.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Deepa.
Deepa. Okay, I will just
Yeah.
check in the diary. If your name is there in Deepa name, I will tell him to give you a priority appointment this Friday, because I think next Friday I am not there. But this Friday, coming Friday, I am here.
Okay, I'll be coming, sir.
Yeah, what is your last 3 digit of the number, telephone number you have called? Last 3 digit.
827.
827.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can call him, no problem. Otherwise, he'll call you back. I will just tell him, don't worry. I will try to arrange for you this Friday. You are welcome, no problem. Thanks for showing excellent response for Media Over program on NTV HD.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for calling. So now we'll take a break.
Yes, let me take a break and breath.
Yeah, and then after the break നമ്മൾ തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോൾ എല്ലാ ഷോയുടെയും വൈൻഡിങ് ടൈം മാതിരി ഒരു ഗോൾഡൻ ടിപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതായിരിക്കും സർ ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറിനൊപ്പം. I'll try to get more, you know. I'll try and squeeze out more details so that we can use it.
Yeah,
അപ്പോൾ
sure.
നമ്മൾ തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നവരെ keep watching NTV. We'll come back after a short break.
Meteor.
KIDU. We are Kiddo Kids. We play songs, stories, funny videos, cartoons, birthday dedications, games, and many more. So you know, just do one thing, call us on Kiddo Kids and let's have a lot of fun. Every Saturday to Thursday from 4 to 5 p.m. only on your favorite channel NTV. And it's live. Kiddo Kids!
Meteorum.
വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മീഡിയോരം. നമ്മോടൊപ്പം ഉള്ളത് വെൽനസ് ആൻഡ് ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റൈൽ കൺസൾട്ടന്റ് സർ ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്. ഈ ഷോയിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം, നിങ്ങൾ വിളിക്കേണ്ടത് ജ്യോതിഷപരമായ കാര്യങ്ങളോ ആസ്ട്രോളജി, ന്യൂമറോളജി, എന്ത് വാസ്തു, ഫെങ്ഷി, ഏത് തരത്തിലുള്ള സംശയങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണേലും സാറിനോട് ചോദിക്കാം. ബട്ട് വാസ്തുവിൻ്റെ ഗൈഡൻസിന് യു വിൽ ഹാവ് ടു ഗോ ത്രൂ ദ അപ്പോയിൻമെൻറ്റ്. അതിന് കിരണിനെയാണ് വിളിക്കേണ്ടത്. 0526565786. ഇപ്പോൾ ഷോയിലേക്ക് നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത കോളറിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഹലോ.
Hello.
ഹായ്, വെൽക്കം ടു മീഡിയോരം.
Thank you.
ഇതാരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
എൻ്റെ പേര് ദിവ്യ. ഞാൻ ദുബായിന്നാണ് വിളിക്കുന്നത്.
ഹായ് ദിവ്യ.
ഹലോ.
യാ ദിവ്യ,
Why are you laughing?
ഐ ഗോട്ട് എനിക്കും ഒരു പേരുണ്ട് ദിവ്യ എന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ ഐ എം റിയലി ഹാപ്പി.
That's why I wanted to say why you are laughing.
ഓക്കെ, ദിവ്യയുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
16/3/1987.
16th March 1987 അല്ലേ?
അതെ.
ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ടൈം ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
6:22 a.m.
6:22 AM ആൻഡ് പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
Trivandrum.
ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോൾ വിളിക്കുന്നത് എവിടുന്നാ?
ഞാൻ ദുബായിന്നാണ് വിളിക്കുന്നത്.
ഓക്കെ, ദുബായ്. എന്താണ് ഡോക്ടറോട് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ള ചോദ്യം?
എന്റെ കരിയറിന്റെ കാര്യം അറിയാനായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ ജോബ് മാറാനായിട്ട് നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതിനുള്ള റൈറ്റ് ടൈം ആണോ അതോ ഇതിൽ തന്നെ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്താൽ മതിയോ എന്നുള്ളത് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടായിരുന്നു.
Okay, she wants to know if it's the right time for her to change the job.
Okay. Okay, you are Uttaram Nakshatra?
Yes.
Okay. And see, your Kantaka Shani will start in January 2017 up till January
Okay.
2020. So that is little more difficult period for you to change the job.
Okay.
So if you want to change the job, you can do this year, but not in 2017 and not in 2018. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
I will still calculate other things also for the same time because it's, and you are birth number 7 and life path number is 8. Now 8 is basically you can say not favorable number, but 7 is very good. Your last year has been little more struggling, up and down. 2015.
Yeah.
Yes.
A bit.
A bit, yes. Okay, fine. And the dasha which you are going through is Rahu dasha. Now,
Okay.
as I always say, Rahu dasha, it is from July 2005 to July 2023. So up till 2023, you have, you know, like as I tell you, in job, you know, you will not get much job satisfaction, and whatever efforts you will be putting, you will not get the result or compensation from the other side.
Yes.
Approximately you get 35 to 40% of the result of your effort, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now you need to do some remedies for them this period to get more benefit.
Okay.
Okay, then only and job, even job also I would tell you, like September to December is okay period to change. You can try now, but September to December is a favorable period to switch to another job. But again 2017 you should give a break. Don't change the job in 2017 because that will not be much favorable for you.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so first of all you should wear a gomedam in the right hand middle finger.
Which one is that?
Gomedam.
Okay.
Yes, gomedam in the right hand index finger.
Okay.
Okay, and plus a yellow sapphire in your right hand index finger. Now gomedam you should wear in silver, huh?
Okay.
And
okay.
this
Yeah.
and this you have to wear only up till Rahu Dasha. I have mentioned Rahu Dasha for you, no? Up till July 2023. Okay?
Okay.
Gomedam up till 2023 and yellow sapphire you have to wear, that's your birthstone. And basically that is
Okay.
ruling, you can say, your wealth house and saving house at the same time.
Okay. That yellow sapphire has to wear in right hand, which finger?
Yellow sapphire in the right hand index finger, gomedam in the right hand middle finger.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, these are the two stones, favorable stones for you, which you need to wear. And other things which I will tell you to observe, that is Saturday, Tuesday, Thursday you should be a vegetarian food.
Tuesday and Thursday.
Saturday, Tuesday and Thursday.
Saturday, Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, you should avoid full black color in regular life. Occasionally is okay.
Okay.
Yellow color is good for you.
Okay.
Okay, then other things which I need to say, any electronics if you have at home which is not working, any type of electronics, battery operated, anything unusable electronics which is not working or you are not using for a long time, either repair, throw or give it away.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay, repair, throw or give it away. And for still financial stability and job stability, you can feed the ants. Ants are available at the base of every tree. So you should water the plants or trees daily, at least 3 or 5 trees. And there you can put good jaggery, you know. What you call jaggery? Shakara.
Sharkara.
Sharkara.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Sharkara. Good to either 3 or 5 trees. So daily, this is your homework, like 3 to 5 trees you should put water and Sharkara.
Okay, fine.
This is you are doing Anadanam for Anadanam, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, these things you need to do, and do not trust anybody blindly in this period. You can be carried away or misguided or misleaded.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, sir. Actually, just I want to know about my career.
Chalo. Okay, thanks for calling.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you for calling. Okay. Sir, now we'll pick up the next caller.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Welcome to Midioram.
My name is Arun Kumar.
Arun Kumar.
Yes.
Hello, Arun. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. Arun, Malayali or no?
Malayali.
Okay. Can I have your date of birth, time of birth, and your place of birth?
20th May 1969.
20 May 1969, and your time of birth is?
Yes. Morning 2:30. Morning 2:30.
Okay.
And in Kerala.
കേരള ഓക്കെ. എന്ത് ചോദ്യമാണ് സാറിനോട് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ളത്?
എന്റെ പ്രസന്റ് ടൈം എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് അറിയാൻ.
Current time. Yeah, that's what he wants.
He wants to know about the current time.
Yeah.
I will just
And
yes.
പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഒക്കെ എല്ലാം കുറെ ഉണ്ട് ഫൈനാൻഷ്യലി, അതെല്ലാം ക്ലിയർ ആണെന്ന് അറിയാൻ.
Okay. So you are 20th 5 1969, 2:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Kerala. Okay, actually you share your birthday with my mother. My mother is also 20th May. By the way, I will just tell you in advance, you know, many happy returns of the day. He's coming 20th May.
Yeah.
Many happy returns
Advance
of the
birthday wishes.
Yeah, advance birthday wishes to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
Oh,
you.
fine. No, welcome anytime. Okay, just let me check your nakshatra. I think you are Mithunam Rashi
Yes.
and Thiruvatira nakshatra.
Yeah.
Okay, and see now this Rashi is like you don't have any Eldra Shani or Kantaka Shani presently,
Okay.
and I will just check the dasha which you are going through. You are birth number 2 and life path number is 5.
How much is it?
Life path number is 5 and the dasha is Budham dasha.
Okay.
Okay, see now this Budham is little weak. It is from February 2012 to February 2029.
Okay.
Okay, but you have struggled in your life too much. I think so. Lot of ups and down you have seen,
Yeah.
and you don't have any support. I think you are the self-made person, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And in future also, this is also there because this is as per your Jatakam. So, like for you to get support from anybody, it is very difficult.
Okay.
And regarding financial stability, I think savings are not happening basically, correct?
Sorry?
Savings are not happening.
Yeah.
Savings are not happening up to the mark. Expenses are coming up more, you know.
Nothing is happening.
Nothing is happening. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now I will tell you the remedies because I could see the chart, you know, and one more thing I will tell you. Yes, you need to wear 2 stones. One is yellow sapphire in your right hand index finger,
1 second, sir.
and a coral triangle shape in your right hand ring finger.
Yellow safari.
Yellow sapphire, pushparagam in your right hand index finger, and coral triangle shape in your right hand ring finger.
Okay.
Okay, your birth number 2, life path number is 5. Wear a Navratna pendant number 5.
Navratna number 3.
Navratna number 5.
Number 5. Okay.
Yes, and in your pocket, keep
Yeah.
7 pieces of eleke. In a
7.
pieces of eleke, ilachi,
ഏലക്ക.
eleke, ilachi, cardamom.
Ilachi.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that you should keep always and change it monthly.
Take it monthly. Okay.
Change it monthly. The other one just throw it and take a fresh one and keep it in the pocket always.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the problem. Mainly the financial issues and
Yes. Yeah. I can. That's why I told you, no, financial issues are there. Savings are not happening. I think you got some loans also.
Sorry, yeah.
Have you got some loan?
Yeah.
Yes. You see. Now I will. So these stones are very necessary for you. First of all, they should be properly energized, original, and certified. Okay. Now other remedies regarding the same. Yeah. Job wise, now I will tell you other remedies what you should do. Okay.
I have job now.
You have.
I have job. Yes.
Yeah, you have a job here. It will be stable, don't worry. Start doing the remedies, it will be stable. Now I'll tell you some other remedies also, apart from gemstones. Okay.
Okay.
Distribute educational books, stationery items to the school going children, that is Kanya below the age of 10. Okay. Then
Yeah.
distribute black color things to the poor, like black blanket or any type of like black umbrella to the poor whenever possible. Okay. Then other things you should you can say donate white color items to the orphanage home. White milk or pure ghee, like white color items, rice. Okay, don't give money. Don't give money, give things. So things will be utilized, money can be misused.
Okay, okay.
There is possibility, otherwise it is not there. But for your santosham, you should always buy the things and give it to them directly.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and you should be a vegetarian food for continuous 43 days.
Yeah, vegetarian.
Okay, very good. Keep a Mauna Vartam every Saturday for 1 hour as you get up from the bed. Mauna Vartam, you understand Mauna Vartam?
I didn't say. What's more, I didn't.
It is Mauna Vratam.
Mauna Vartam. That is, yeah, Mauna Vartam. Every Saturday as you get up from the bed for only 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, and give up your favorite food or fruit
Okay.
for 62 days.
62 days, okay.
Yes, give up your favorite food or fruit for 62 days. If you do all these
Okay,
things,
okay.
all will be well.
Oh, but the problem will be solved, or in...
Yes, yes, don't worry. You have to do this combined remedies completely with this danam and everything, and you will see, you will start getting results slowly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we say no, Mahadanam is Anadanam, or
Okay,
Anadanam,
okay.
Mahadanam. Do this danam, do this good deeds, everything will come its place.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Arun. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
calling.
Thank you.
So now it is the last caller, I believe.
Yes, last lucky caller.
Last lucky caller, and then we'll.
Hope your wishes come true. Maybe it is a lady.
Yes. Let me see. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to Videoram. I'm sorry. നമ്മൾ ചർച്ച ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കേട്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ഞാൻ ലാസ്റ്റ് കോളർ ലേഡി കോളർ ആണോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്നുള്ള ലക്ക് നോക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നു. അല്ല, ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ. ഐ എം റിയലി ഹാപ്പി. ഇതാരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
എൻ്റെ പേര് ഷിബോയ് മാത്യു.
ഷിനോയ്. ഓക്കെ. ഷിനോയുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്തും ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഒന്ന് പറയാവോ?
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 20/10/1978.
20 October 1978. Okay. Time of birth?
ടൈം 8 മോർണിംഗ്.
Katla. Hello? Hello, Shinoy?
ഹലോ.
ടൈം കേട്ടില്ല, ഒന്നുകൂടെ ഒന്ന് പറയാവോ? ഹലോ? ഹലോ?
Call drop.
ടൈം എക്സൈറ്റഡ് early morning time.
Early morning 10 a.m. Okay. And place of birth? ഹലോ ഷിനോയ്. ഷിനോയ് ടി വി ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാണ്ട് ഫോണിലേക്ക് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണേ, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത്രയും ലാഗ് വരും. ഹലോ,
Okay.
ടി വി മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, and then കോളിലേക്ക് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക.
Okay.
യാ, പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ ഷിനോയ്. ഹലോ.
Just take the next call maybe. The call got dropped, I think.
Yeah, the call got dropped.
Fine. Oh.
But we don't have the place of birth.
Yeah, I can't help it. No? If
Yeah,
you
so
have got
we'll
take the next call.
we'll
No
take-
problem. No problem.
Hello? Hello?
ഹലോ
വെൽക്കം ടു മിഡിയോരം.
ഹലോ എനിക്ക്
NTV ആണ്, ഇത് മിഡിയോരാണ്, ഞാൻ ഡയനയാണ്. പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
ഹലോ
ഹലോ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
ഓക്കെ
Can I know your name?
സൗമ്യ.
സൗമ്യ. ഞാൻ ഒത്തിരി സന്തോഷത്തിലാണ് കോൾ എടുത്തത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി സൗമ്യയുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്തും ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
ആക്ച്വലി ഞാൻ എന്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് വിളിക്കുന്നത്.
ഓക്കെ. ഹസ്ബൻഡിന്റെ
ഹസ്ബൻഡിന്റെ പേര് ജാരിഷ് എന്നാണ്.
ജാരിഷ്. ഓക്കെ. ജാരിഷിന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
1980
ഓക്കെ.
മാർച്ച്
ഓക്കെ.
21st.
അപ്പോൾ 21st March 1980. ഓക്കെ. ആൻഡ് ടൈം ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
ടൈം 5:50.
5:50 മോർണിംഗ് ആണോ ഈവനിങ് ആണോ?
ഈവനിങ്.
5:50 PM. ആൻഡ് പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് കേരള.
കേരള. ഇനി ഈ ജാരിഷിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എന്താ അറിയേണ്ടേ?
ആക്ച്വലി പുള്ളിക്കാരുടെ ഹെൽത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചും കരിയറിനെ കുറിച്ചും അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് വിളിച്ചത്.
ഓക്കെ, ഷുവർ. സർ വിൽ ബി ഹെൽപ്പിംഗ് യു ഔട്ട് വിത്ത് ദാറ്റ്. വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചോദിക്കാനുണ്ടോ?
ഇല്ല, ഇത് രണ്ടോടും പ്രധാനമായിട്ടും അറിയണ്ടേ.
She wants to know about the career and health of her husband.
Ah, it's okay. I think he is Vrishabh Rashi and Rohini Nakshatra.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, like I just said that last lucky caller will be a lady.
Okay.
And it is because a gents called up and the line got dropped.
Okay.
So please don't mind. It was just a guess, don't worry.
Yeah.
Should not feel bad, but this is what I guessed, that the last lucky caller would be lady, and it's you. Okay. He is Vrishabh Rashi and Rohini Nakshatra.
Yeah.
Okay. And his Kantaka Shani will start in January 2017 to January 2020.
Okay.
I will tell you what is his birth number and dasha, and then I will tell you about his career and health. He is birth number 3 and life path number is 6. So 3, 6 and 9 is very, you can say, favorable numbers for him.
Yeah.
Okay. And the dasha which he is going through is also very good dasha, that is Guru Vyadam dasha.
Okay.
Okay, this started in April 2013 and it will finish in April 2029. So April 2029, approximately up till the age of 50, he should not get worried. But there are some planets, it's very weak. That is why there is a possibility he can get a career break also.
Okay.
Next year in the Shani period, that is possibility. And plus his health issues, does he have any digestion problem?
Yeah, he is having so many problem with stomach.
Stomach problem, yes. He will have a lot of stomach problem like digestion, acidity and constipation or gas problem, correct?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Fine. Now, first of all, you should check your Brahmasthanam. I don't know, that is the middle place, it's a middle place of the house.
Yeah, okay.
There you should not keep anytime weight. Don't keep any weight in the middle portion of the house.
Okay.
If you have a small center table also, when guests are coming, keep it, otherwise keep it in the side. First of all, that thing you have to notice. And maybe in the middle portion, you have some pillars or you have some bathroom or kitchen, that also affects him. Okay?
So, yeah.
Always tell him to eat 2 pieces of, long.
I didn't get you. Please, can you please repeat it?
Clove, what do you call for clove?
Grampu.
Grambu. I forgot the name.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Always eat 2 pieces of grambu after food.
Okay.
That will improve his digestion power. Okay. Yes. And regarding the other remedies, I will tell you, because as you told me about health, I already told you, he should take care of his bones and joints problem or backache problem.
Okay.
Hope he has now some problem?
Yeah, he is having a problem with his backbone.
Backbone, okay. So he's quite prone to bones and digestion problem at the same time. Yeah. Now I will tell you some other remedies also. This was the first remedy, where the middle portion of the house you should not keep any weight, in the middle portion, and maybe by default if some kitchen is there or something is there, bathroom, then we have to find the remedies that you can bring a rough sketch. I can help you as per my knowledge. Okay. Now the stone which he needs to wear is first is ruby stone. A ruby, that is a manikam in the right hand ring finger and a pavalam coral in the left hand ring finger.
Okay.
He should wear a Navratna pendant number 6. Okay, and with number 6 he should wear a gadai also, because Shani is going to come,
Okay.
Yeah, in January. So he can wear a gadai. Gadai? Gada? Gada, Gada in the locket format. I'll show you now. You can see me?
Okay.
Even I am wearing it, you can see me. He has to wear this one also with the Navratna number 6. Okay. He should be a vegetarian on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
On Sunday he should wear always maroon color.
Which color, please?
Maroon color. I think I am wearing today maroon. I don't know how it is showing on the screen,
okay,
but the same
yeah.
color. Yeah, I am wearing the maroon suit today. So the same color he should wear it on Sunday. Always keep maroon color, on Sunday.
Sunday. Okay.
Yes. And regarding some other remedies, I will tell you. Every Saturday, fly free 3 birds. He is birth number 3. Fly, yeah. So buy the birds from the pet shop and fly them free.
Okay.
Nobody wants to stay in one room, no, in the cage. Yeah. So do this deed good. And second thing, if possible, if you can fast on Monday also, it is better. Okay. And at night, avoid white color items like white rice, biryani rice, pulao is okay, white milk, strawberry milk, chocolate milk is okay, then idli, mulangi and curd rice. Okay, he should avoid all these things, and take bath with kallupu, that is sea salt. Take bath with kallupu continues for 7 days.
Okay.
Okay, and after 7 days only on Saturday and Tuesday for 1 month,
Yeah.
and after that only on Saturday. This is because like sometime he will be having some negative friends or negative thoughts which will help him.
Okay.
Okay, and does he get proper sleep at night?
No, he don't have proper sleep.
So I
He's
think-
working in computer, so a problem with his eyes and all.
Okay, so I think whatever I have analyzed the chart, I think it is 100% correct.
Okay.
Okay, what do this? Last remedy, keep a glass of water at your bedside at night,
Yeah.
and that water you should give it to the plants in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, don't drink it, do this for 43 days only.
Okay.
And if you want anything in details, I am in Karama, Dubai, you are welcome anytime.
Okay, sure.
Sure, I'll be really very much pleased and happy to serve you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks, bye-bye.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you,
bye.
Soumya. Thank you for
Thank
calling.
you.
So now we'll
Go
have
for
the
a-
golden tip. And
Yeah,
then-
a short golden
Yeah.
trip, because I think short golden trip we'll have it, no problem.
Yes.
But so you are happy that I told you last lucky
Yes,
caller will be a lady.
I'm really
Okay.
happy.
Okay, fine. The last lucky trip, everybody wants money. Everybody is getting money, but sometimes we are spending it, unnecessarily. It is not staying in the pocket. What we should do? Whenever you are keeping money in the pocket, try to put the money in the rubber band. First of all, that. And whenever you are keeping purse, do not keep purse in the back pocket. Whenever you are going home, keep your purse or money in the northeast area. In the northeast area of your living room or in your room, you should keep in the northeast area. And always have good wishes for whatever things that brings you money. If your computer brings money, that means you should have good wishes for your computer. Even have good wishes for the credit card also at that same time. Don't hate them, because at times they have helped you in times. So always have good wishes for whatever financial you can say possibilities and sources you have always good wishes, and try to have these good wishes early morning. Like you can tell your credit card, tell the money, good morning, how are you, thanks for being with me. Have good wishes, have some good wishes and loving and kindness energy with all these things, money and whatever they give you. I think you will attract good money and it will try to stay with you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഷോ ഇവിടെ വൈൻഡപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ സമയമായിട്ടുണ്ട്. കോൾ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് കിട്ടാത്തവർക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറിനെ അപ്പോയിൻമെന്റ് എടുത്തിട്ട് പോയി കാണാവുന്നതാണ്. Until we see you next week.
Same place, same time.
Yeah, this is Dr. Kumar and Anna signing off. Nanni, namaskaram.
Nanni, namaskaram. Namaskar.